Number 1. 1974 Chevrolet 3500, price $8,500, powered by a strong 454 V8 engine paired with a 4-speed manual transmission. With approximately 164,000 miles on the odometer, it still runs and drives very well. The exterior is finished in a bold blue, while the interior contrasts with a vibrant orange, giving the truck a unique and eye-catching appearance. Recently, the fuel tank was cleaned out, and the truck now pulls fuel only from the driver's side. It has been fitted with a new mechanical fuel pump and a new fuel sending unit. Additionally, it features a brand new carburetor, new spark plugs and wires, and a new distributor cap, ensuring reliable performance. The truck sits on 6 brand new 235/85/16 tires. Ready to hit the road or take on tough jobs. While there is a bit of rust in the usual spots, it's minimal for a truck of this age, and overall, it remains impressively clean. It runs and drives reliably, and the seller holds a clean and clear title in hand, ready for transfer. Number 2. 1997 GMC Sierra C1500, price $4,500. This particular model comes equipped with a powerful V8 5.0L engine paired with a manual transmission, offering a classic driving experience with plenty of torque and control. With only 121,000 miles on the odometer, it still has plenty of life left and has been taken care of with several recent upgrades. The truck has a brand new battery, fuel pump, tires, spark plugs, and a full wire set, ensuring it runs smoothly and reliably. It drives great and handles well on the road, making it perfect for daily use or light work. The cold AC and fully functioning heater provide year-round comfort no matter the weather. The Sierra is clean inside and out, and everything works as it should. The title is under the current owner's name, making the transaction straightforward and hassle-free. Number 3. 1991 Chevrolet 1500, price $8,000, with 190,000 miles on the odometer. It features a 5-speed manual transmission, a healthy engine, and a recently serviced transmission with a new clutch, fluid, slave, and master cylinder. Finished in burgundy, it sits on 22x12 American Forces wrapped in 33s with a 6-inch lift. The truck has cold AC, a working heater, RZ custom LED lights all around, a 454SS grille with a billet insert, and 5% tint all around with 20% on the windshield. While it runs great, it has some cosmetic blemishes, minor damage on the rear bumper and tailgate, rock chips around the wheel wells, and a removed headliner due to sagging. Overall, it's a reliable and eye-catching truck with lots of upgrades, perfect for someone looking for a tough and stylish ride. Number 4. 1989 Chevrolet 1500, price $5,000, owned by its original owner and boasting 102,500 miles on the odometer. It features a powerful 5.7L V8 SBC 350 engine paired with a 700R4 automatic transmission that has been professionally rebuilt using a monster transmission rebuild kit, ensuring smooth and reliable performance. Both the interior and exterior come in a striking red, adding to its vintage charm. Despite being used as a work truck, the Chevy 1500 remains in excellent mechanical condition and is ready for continued use. The only notable flaw is cosmetic, scratched and sun-damaged paint from years of exposure and hard work. However, its solid structure and well-maintained drivetrain make it an ideal candidate for restoration or daily driving. With its original components intact and a strong rebuild behind it, this truck is a dependable and authentic piece of Chevrolet history. Number 5. 1986 Chevrolet K10, price $10,000. This is a clean Title 4x4 truck, equipped with a 305 engine and 700R4 automatic transmission. It features an Edelbrock carbon intake, aftermarket headers and exhaust, and 3.73 gears for solid performance. A 4-inch lift was recently installed, paired with either 37-inch IROC Super Swampers or 24x12 wheels. Comfort and convenience include cold AC, hot heater, 5% tint, aftermarket sound system, and upgraded radio. Recent maintenance includes a new radiator, newer battery and steering box, and a fully rebuilt rear brake system. New door and window seals have also been added. It has minor rust in common areas, but comes with replacement panels, including rockers, cab corners, dash pad, and more. There is a small transmission leak, but overall the truck runs strong and is ready for the road or trail. Number 6. 1988 Chevrolet 1500, price $6,500, with its striking blue exterior and matching blue interior. It runs on gasoline and features an automatic transmission for smooth driving. The truck has 80,000 miles on its rebuilt motor and is equipped with a brand new transmission that has only 5,000 miles on it. It also boasts a newly installed 6-inch rough country lift kit, with paperwork available to verify all recent upgrades. Included with the truck are new inner and outer rockers, cab corners, a dash pad, an oil pan gasket, the original grille and headlight bezels, as well as a sliding rear window. This Chevrolet 1500 offers a solid blend of vintage styling and recent mechanical updates, making it a strong candidate for both everyday use and collector appeal. Number 7. 1997 Ford F-150, price $5,000, with just 137,000 miles on the odometer. It's powered by a reliable 4.2L V6 engine and features an automatic transmission for a smooth and easy drive. The exterior is finished in sleek black, while the standout red interior adds a bold and stylish contrast that sets it apart from the rest. Despite its vintage appeal, this F-150 comes equipped with several contemporary features, including a backup camera and a modern touchscreen radio that enhances convenience and entertainment on the road. For added security and comfort, it also includes an alarm system and remote start. Running on gasoline and holding a clean title, this truck is in excellent condition and ready for its next adventure. Number 8. 1998 Chevrolet 2500, price $10,000, with 114,500 miles on the odometer. Powered by a 7.4L 454 big block engine and an automatic transmission, it delivers impressive performance and a smooth driving experience. The exterior is finished in a striking red color, while the interior offers a comfortable gray finish. The truck runs on gasoline and is equipped with new Nitto 33-inch tires, ensuring great traction and durability. It also features newly installed front and rear shocks for improved ride quality and handling. The taillights have been replaced with new ones, and the headlights are also brand new, still in the box. The truck has been regularly serviced, with all maintenance up to date, ensuring it's in great running condition. The body is in very clean shape with minimal rust. Number 9. 1989 Chevrolet 1500, price $6,500. Finished in gold with an off-white interior. It runs on gasoline and features an automatic transmission paired with a small block Chevy 305 engine and TH700 R4 transmission. The mileage is unknown due to a faulty odometer. Recent upgrades include a new MSD cap and rotor, ignition components, sensors, oil pressure, O2, IAC, fuel system parts, pump, filter, injectors, regulator, TBI, spark plugs and wires, valve covers, Edelbrock intake, and a new battery. It also has a 4/6 drop with Beltec shocks, mid-length headers, dual exhaust with X-pipe and MagnaFlow mufflers, and new tires. The interior features a new headliner, trim pieces, seat cover, and LED lighting throughout. This truck combines vintage style with solid performance upgrades. Number 10. 1976 Ford F-250, price $8,000. This is a classic farm truck that runs great and comes equipped with a reliable FE360 V8 engine, a 3-speed automatic transmission, and rear-wheel drive. With 129,000 miles on the odometer, it still performs strongly and has been well maintained. The exterior and interior are both finished in blue, giving it a cohesive and vintage look, and it runs on gasoline. The truck features a rebuilt carburetor and boasts a straight body and frame, showing minimal wear for its age. Originally started as a personal project, the current owner no longer has the time to complete it.